Good morning, Mr. President.
Morning, Condoleezza. What's happening?
Well, I have the report here about the new leader in China.
Great. Lay it on me.
Mr. President, who is the new leader of China?
Well, that's what I want to know.
But that's what I'm telling you, Mr. President.
But that's what I'm asking you. Who is the new leader of China?
Yes.
I mean the fella's name.
Who?
The guy in China.
Who?
The new leader of China.
Who?
The Chinaman.
Who is leading China, Mr. President?
Well, what are you asking me for?
I'm telling you, who is leading China?
Well, I'm asking you, Condi, who is leading China?
That's the man's name.
That's whose name?
Yes.
Will you, or will you not, tell me the name of the new leader of China?
Yes, sir.
Yasser? Yasser Arafat is in China? I thought he was in the Middle East.
That is correct, sir.
Then who's in China?
Yes, sir.
Yasser is in China?
No, sir.
Then who is?
Yes, sir.
Yasser?
No, sir.
Connie, you've really started annoying me. Give me the Secretary General of the United Nations on the phone.
Coffee, Anna?
No thanks. And Connie, call me George.
You want coffee?
No.
You don't want coffee?
No. But now that you mention it, I could use a glass of milk. And then give me the UN.
Yes, sir.
Not Yasser, the guy at the United Nations.
Coffee.
Milk! And will you please make that call?
I call who?
Well, who's the guy at the UN?
No, who is the guy in China?
Will you stay out of China?
Yes, sir.
And stay out of the Middle East. Just give me the guy at the UN.
Coffee?
All right. But with cream and 2 sugars. Now get on the phone, Toot.
Hello, rice here.
Rice. Good idea. Get a couple of egg rolls too, Condi.